Henry's got one again. Oh. I biffed it.
Are you some kind of moron?
Where's the flashlight, Dad?
Oh, right here.
Wait, I'm on video. Or is this already going? He's already off. Let's do an after photo. Wait, look exhausted.
I am exhausted. Stop. Stop it. Ah! Nice little poke. It's much worse than I thought. The hook must have went in and ripped all the way up. Oh well, it'll be alright. Great job! Teenagers. Don't flick. Oh yeah. Well, I don't have my tape measure, so let's just get a little. Oh, I got another one. And we got another one. Fellas. Stop. Holy crap, look at these snapping turtles. I don't know if they're mating or what. That's so nasty. Yeah, I think they're mating. Getting it on, perverts. Or maybe I'm the pervert. I'm the one watching them. On that note, I'm out. These right here, the points on the fins, they will go right through you. Well, it's something. And it just got me.
And I hate it at the same time. You and I drink the poison from the same vine. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time.
That's a big crappie. Whoa! You can't have this, bro. Dude, that's scary. That thing could tear me a new one. There we go. It's big, whatever it is. Oh, 2 on, great. What the fart do I do here? Okay. All right. Know how to get them in. There we go. Yes. Whew. Henry's he's cast it up in that tree right there. He's hoping he can find a tree shaker. Judah Henry. You can get him like 20 feet out there. I got that one. Oh, it's hard to get lost. And it's great to find people's property, like that red right there. Clem, what are you doing? Taking a poop? What are you doing? Hey, come back here. I was putting my stakes in, and the wind picked up and actually carried my shelter about 50 feet. I was able to catch it. I jumped and slid on the ground and caught the ropes before I could go any further. When the shelter blew away, it broke my life scope pole. What a crappy day.
He is here. Welcome back to OETKEN
In a quarter mile,
Outdoors.
continue straight onto Bowen Street.
Welcome back to OETKEN Outdoors. I'm Aaron Ocken, and today is the Cold Water Classic at Millers Bay in Oshkosh. It's all really shallow water, and we'll see if anyone wins any prizes. I'm sure someone will win perch and bluegill.
Continue straight onto Bowen Street.
The rest, I mean, it's going to be a challenge in that shallow water for pike and walleye and largemouth bass.
Continue on Bowen Street for 1 mile.
eat a stick?
What the heck was that all about?
A crack opened up really wide. There's a bunch of open water. So we're gonna have to get airboated out of here, which will be interesting.
About the scariest thing in the world. Yeah. Another drum.
That's a bigger one.
Yeah, they're.
Take your drink. Okay, you okay?
Yuck. That's a big drum though. Oh, sucker. Can you just stab him in the face for me?
Stab him in the face.
Yeah, just kill him. I'm mad at him. Mid-20s? Low 20s?
20.
Yeah, the dichotomy of the pike bite makes it so the subtle reactions are better in the live stream of life.
I would have to disagree with you. See, it's actually what you're saying is it's really quite opposite. That's what you're trying to say.
Oh, I don't think so, Ben. I respectfully disagree. The pike shouldn't have came in. That was his choice. He ruined his life over it because he got greedy and he had to go for it.
Really?
Ryan Zigman, he did an awesome job for us, got us on the fish. Worked really hard. Highly recommend him. This is Ryan, our guide. He just took a big digger in the water, fell off his boat. Oh no! I just lost $500 worth of rods.
God,